1. Elemental characteristics. Holmium HO is the chemical element with atomic number 67 in the periodic table. It belongs to the lanthanide series of rare earth metals. It is a relatively soft and malleable silvery white metal that is fairly stable in dry air but oxidizes in moist air. 2. Discovery. Holmium was discovered in 1878 by Swiss chemist Marc de la Fontaine and independently by Swedish chemist Per Theodor Cleve. It was identified by spectroscopic analysis of erbium and ytterbium ores. The element was named after Holmia, the Latin name for Stockholm. 3. Occurrence. Holmium is not found free in nature, but occurs in small amounts in minerals such as monazite and bastnasite, which contain other rare earth elements. These minerals are the primary commercial sources of holmium. 4. Physical properties. Holmium has a melting point of about 1,474 degrees Celsius, 2,685 degrees Fahrenheit, and a boiling point of 2,700 degrees Celsius, 4,892 degrees Fahrenheit. It has one of the highest magnetic strengths among the elements, especially when alloyed with other materials. 5. Uses and applications. Holmium is utilized in creating powerful magnets for scientific research, serves as an efficient neutron absorber in nuclear reactors, and is employed in medical and dental lasers for precise surgical procedures, such as treating kidney stones and other soft tissue surgeries. 6. Chemical properties. Holmium is fairly reactive and slowly oxidizes in air. It reacts with water to form holmium hydroxide. It also forms a variety of compounds, primarily in the +3 oxidation state. 7. Isotopes. Holmium has one naturally occurring isotope, holmium-165. It also has a number of synthetic isotopes, which are produced in nuclear reactors. 8. Extraction and refining. The extraction of holmium from its ores involves complex processes, such as solvent extraction and ion exchange, which are necessary due to its co-occurrence with other lanthanides. 9. Health and safety. While holmium compounds are generally considered to have low toxicity, they should be handled with care to avoid inhalation, ingestion, or prolonged skin contact. Metal dust can be flammable and pose a fire hazard. 10. Economic and scientific interest. Due to its unique magnetic properties, there is significant interest in using holmium in scientific research, particularly in magnetic and materials science. Its rarity and the difficulty of its extraction contribute to its high value and limited availability on the market.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.